Today we're going to talk about SUI again. After popular demand of all of you guys that are interested in trading meme coins in the SUI ecosystem, I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial on how to get started and what my thoughts are on the ecosystem. I'm obviously very conscious of the early opportunities that we might get into being early into an ecosystem, just like I did on Tron and just like I did on Base back a few months ago. These are the best moments to trade meme coins, when you're very early, when not a lot of people are aware of the ecosystem itself, and once everyone jumps on it, it's probably going to be too late already. So this is where I want to help you out today. Before we get started, obviously, all my referral links, where to follow me, all the good perks, everything is down in the description, so I'm not going to bore you. So let's get straight to the video. The graph is looking very bullish, even when Bitcoin was pretty much going sideways and was hitting 60K, then it was dropping down. Right now it's 58K. SUI has been very strong, even touching the 1.10 cents. And I easily think that SUI is still a very easy 15 to 20x. I think that at the peak of the bull market, we should probably expect SUI between the $15 to $20. I think it's a no-brainer, especially if it really becomes the next Solana that a lot of people are anticipating. And if you think about it, Solana ran a lot altcoins that are relatively new, like SUI or SEI or even Tau, like in recent months have corrected quite heavily, and in my opinion, they're really going to be due a parabolic leg up as soon as the time comes. First of all, where do you see the meme coins on SUI, and why am I bullish on meme coins on SUI? So as I was mentioning at the beginning of the video, new ecosystem, new opportunities, better opportunities, obviously right now than the ones that you're going to see months down the line after everyone is onboarded into the ecosystem. So the key is being early. And how can you be early? First of all, on deck screener, they updated, and there's the SUI blockchain right here. You can select it. You're going to be able to filter all the meme coins that are available on this ecosystem. I'm going to give you some picks by the end of the video, and let me know down in the comments if you want to see a video on my top 5 picks on SUI, and I'm going to make sure to do so by the end of the week, because obviously I always hear your feedback when making these sort of videos. So how do you get started? Obviously after deck screener, so just seeing what meme coins to buy is definitely essential, but how do you actually buy and store your SUI? So first of all, you got to download this wallet. I'm going to show you how to do it with a dummy one. Obviously, I have my other one, which is in another browser, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So first of all, go on this website. It's called SUIET, SUIET.app. This is the wallet that I'm using, and pretty much everyone in my private Discord is using this. Obviously, if you want to see how I trade directly on there, you're going to get all my trading signals. Going to talk more about it at the end of the video, but let's download this wallet. So first of all, I go here, it directs me to the Google Chrome store, and obviously make sure that you're on the correct page, because there might be some impersonators, there might be some malicious actors. So it's this one, it's got 5 stars, and at the time of this video, it's got 200,000 users and 11,000 ratings. After downloading it, just open the extension that you're gonna find on your Google Chrome, and you're gonna have the 12-word seed phrase, confirm it, and you're gonna be able to get your SUI address, in which you're gonna copy it and paste it on your centralized exchange in which you have bought SUI, and then you send your SUI to the address in the hot wallet, and then you're going to start interacting with the hot wallet like pretty much any other hot wallet into any ecosystem ever. Where can you buy SUI? I have several centralized exchanges that I do recommend, and my recommendations are going to be down in the description as always. After that, you're going to obviously go to a decentralized exchange. There are 2 that are being used right now. I do recommend this one, which is called Turbos Finance. The URL is app.turbos.finance, and yeah, it's Turbos. This is pretty much the one that everybody's using. There's also this Cetus, but I personally haven't used it myself, so I can't really feedback. But Turbos has just been working just fine at the moment, and it's gonna be super easy. Obviously, you're gonna have some SUI, and you're gonna change it for the meme coin that you want to trade by copying and pasting the contract address that you're gonna find on deck screener. Then you confirm the trade, and obviously first of all you gotta connect your SUI wallet, and if you follow my recommendation, you're gonna probably have downloaded SUI wallet, but there's plenty of other wallets that you can use, and that's just simple as that. It's honestly really straightforward. Some of the memes that we're seeing are absolutely flying, so you can see Blub, you can see the token of Turbo's Finance itself that is actually skyrocketing. Greater picture, you can see even the chart for SUI and Solana. It seems like it bottomed out and now it's perhaps going to be massive returns that SUI is going to outperform Solana with. So this is important data, obviously, but let's go to the nitty-gritty and what projects you should buy. So Blub is one of the most popular at the moment, and full disclosure, I don't hold any of these ones that I'm going to talk about right now. If you want to see what I'm buying, what I'm selling, join my VIP group. Blub is 16 million and it's something that was created at the beginning of September, so it's just a couple weeks old. Obviously, I would favor projects that are relatively newer. Obviously, the majority of projects are going to be new, but regardless, there's going to be more opportunities for this. It's kind of pumped a little bit, but at the end of the day, it's only 17 million. The volume seems actually quite high for something like the SUI ecosystem, which obviously, if you click here on that screen, you're going to be able to see the volume of the chain itself. And it's only 50 million. If you compare it to the one of Ethereum mainnet, we're talking about 50 million as opposed to 1.17 billion of Ethereum mainnet, even right now when the market is still considered overall quite bearish. So obviously there's going to be a lot of opportunity and you're going to see a very recurring theme. Obviously, SUI means water in Japanese. So the majority of projects that you're going to be seeing right now being born or that are being created in the last couple of weeks or so, they're all water related. And this represents a big opportunities because obviously, just like Tron, everything was sun related or red or related to Justin. Here, everything is going to really be revolving around water themed projects. But this has been one of the projects that has been sort of long lasting because it was not created a couple of weeks ago. It was created in December last year, which is quite crazy. It was actually pumping a little bit in March, a little bit again. It went to 26 million, so definitely a whole lot. It could actually be considered a very huge discount if we're looking at the broader price ranges. It's only 6 billion, so this could perhaps be something that you might look into for a longer term play. FUD is also one of the only projects that I was able to find right now that has real world marketing. Just look at their X account. They're actually going to plan a lot of real world marketing. Social media page seems very active, already 16,000 followers. In my opinion, it's going to do quite well, planning real world stuff. So as soon as I see these things, I know that it's going to be something very good. It's something that we've seen, for instance, with Pang on Solana, with Bonk also on Solana. So if they're able to make it right, it's probably going to be a very good long-term play. But if you want to see the full analysis of this project, make sure to mention down in the comments and I'm going to bring you a full breakdown of the meme coins that I would buy right now. And no, I'm not using any trading bot at the moment. I'm waiting. Obviously, I'm very loyal to BullX. I do all of my trades on meme coins on there. And I'm waiting for them to put SUI. I don't think that they are gonna dismiss this opportunity of being early as a trading bot, just like they did with Tron. So I think they're gonna integrate it. Obviously, I don't have confirmation. I haven't spoken with the team about it. So if the team of BullX is watching this video as they usually do, then make sure to take note. I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful for you all. And make sure to put down in the comments if you have any questions. Very happy to help you out. And obviously, if you want to connect with me any further, I have an X profile, I have a free Telegram channel, and the best VIP group in the sphere, which is my private Discord. All the details are explained on my website. There's also a private sale ongoing, so you don't want to miss that out. I do recommend joining as a lifetime member because you're gonna get access to the newly finished 3-in-1 course bundle, including gem hunting, taking profit strategies for the bull market. So you might have this once in a lifetime opportunity, this bull cycle, and I'm not even joking about it. It's actually real, so you don't want to waste it. I hope to see you there and help you out with your crypto investing journey. And until then, take care for now.